Hello, Marauders. Today we're going to see the solution to the missing square in those two triangles. So let's check this out. Okay, so here we've got these two big triangles, and it consists of four little pieces. Same four pieces, but when I rearrange them, there's a missing little square here. It doesn't seem to make any sense. These four pieces are exactly the same. When you shuffle them apart, this triangle that they make, well, here it is again, but some reason there's a hole in it here. So figure out what is going on here. So first of all, I wanted to verify these pieces are the same. So I counted up the little boxes in this little green piece. And I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has an area of 8. Of course, here it is again. There it is, an area of 8. I wrote it over here, 8. And then I did the yellow piece. It has 7. Here it is again, 7 pieces. Wrote it over here, 7. And then did the blue one. Now I see all these little pieces, but I thought, well, wait a minute, it's just a triangle. How do I do area of a triangle? Area of a triangle, I could do the base, which is 8, and I could do the height, which is 3, and if I go 8 times 3, I get 24. Of course, that would be this big square, but we all know a triangle is just a rectangle. I shouldn't say square, rectangle. A triangle is just a rectangle cut in half. So 8 times 3 is 24, cut in half is 12. So let me clear some of that off of there. So this blue one has an area of 12. And of course, here it is again. Likewise, we do the orange one. It's 5 by 2, which is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. But cut it in half, this has an area of 5. This says 5. So I go, same four pieces. I decided to add up all the areas, 8, 7, 12, and 5. 12, 5, 8, and 7. A little different order there, but I get this total area, 32. 32, 32. So what is going on? Why, when I rearrange them, is there a missing hole? So I figure, well, let's look at the heights here. When I looked at this, I go, this has a height of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So does this. This has a height of 5. Exactly the same. And the length, well, exactly the same. This length here is 13. Same here. This whole length is 13. That doesn't make sense. So what's going on? These four pieces add up to 32. Well, let's check out the area of the triangle. This is a big old triangle here. There's that side there. So let's see, once again, area of a triangle. I could do base times height. I could do 5 times 13, which is 65. And then we'll just divide it by 2. You get the area of this big triangle. And 65 divided by 2, that's not 32. 65 divided by 2 is, and I'm trying to write with a mouse, so it's not very easy here, is 32 and a half. Okay, something doesn't look right. How come 5 times 13 divided by 2 is 32 and a half? How is the area of this triangle 32 and a half, yet the four pieces only make 32? Same here, 32 and a half, but the pieces are 32. Well, here's what's going on. This big triangle is not a triangle. You may have thought it was a triangle, but it's not. Here's why. Clear some of that off. A triangle consists of 3 sides. There's a side here, and a side here, and a side here. All 3 of these sides are straight lines. However, this side up here, I'm trying to grab that again, this side up here is not a straight line. You know what I mean? It's not a straight line. Well, if I drew some straight line, let's say I drew a straight line over here, maybe something like this, and I want to look at his slope. Remember, I could say his slope's like, well, up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. It should keep going, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. But let's check out the slope of this big side. What does it go up? Up 1, no, 2, or how about this one? Let me do this one first. Up 1, oh wait, how about we do this? Up 2, and then it goes over, let's go to right here, over 5. So the slope right here, its slope, I'm going to try to write. That doesn't work too well. Try to write again. Its slope is up 2 over 5. So does it keep going up 2 over 5? Up 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. That's a little short, isn't it? Up 2 over 5? It's not up 2 over 5. This blue piece doesn't have a slope of up 2 over 5. It goes up 3 and then over 8. Up 3 over 8. Its slope, its m, is 3 over 8. And there lies the problem. 2 over 5 does not equal 3 over 8. Those are two different fractions. In fact, this fraction is 0.40. It's 40%. Well, this fraction is 0.375. These are not equal. So this is actually not a straight line. Likewise, this one goes up 3 over 8, then up 2 over 5. In fact, if I clear that out, what happened is that this one is actually bowed a little bit outward, and this one is bowed a little bit inward. So in other words, this triangle, not really a triangle then, is it? This one is kind of like this, while this one, these are the same here, this one is bowed a little bit out. So they're actually quadrilaterals because this one is pushed outward, it's got this extra hole. This one got pushed inward, concave, and filled in the hole. This one's outward, we call that convex. And thus, there is really no problem. There's a missing square because this one is pushed outward. These were never big triangles to start with. And that is the reason there's a missing square. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.